Hello dear friends, I'm happy to introduce my new update Animator 3.0 for Photoshop animation. And first of all, I want to talk about setup of the layer. In old version, as you know, layer must be 5-second duration and set in 0 frame, and the video timeline must have 30 frames per second. In new version, you don't need to follow this instruction recommendation. The basic layer must be converted to smart object, layer must be visible, and video timeline must be created, of course. Let's see old animation via Animator 2.0. As you can see, I have my intro animation, static layer, and outro animation with fading. Cool, let's create a new animation via new Animator, and let's see. Select Move tab. I want to use right direction, for example, and length 400 pixels. And click Intro. As you can see, new Animator create keyframes that you control, select all, drag it as you want, and let's create outward animation at the same direction. Cool. I have two animation, and for example, if you want like your animation, you can reset your keyframe and rebuild your animation with differences value, for example 600 pixels, and down direction, as you can see, direction displayed on the preview, and click intro and outro. Cool. The second feature in old animation, in old Animator, we have easy functions separately, and in new Animator, I put in global settings, and you can play, of course, with all easy animation as you want and select any frame duration. Let's check. Left, backing out, 600 pixels, and click intro. Cool, and let's create outro, maybe up, and quad in out, and outro. Cool. And for example, I want to rebuild my outro, and just select all keyframes, delete, set your slider on the timeline, and change direction, and click outro, and new Animator create all necessary keyframes you need. And of course, let's set opacity keyframes and auto animation. Okay, and I have my animation. It's much more easily and quick create any animation. And I also you don't need to have, for example, 5-second duration of the layer, and you can set any duration of your track and work with it. Let's create right, cool, and auto right. Set opacity again. And my animation is ready. I think it will be a very helpful feature for you. Yes, you can drag your keyframes, increase your duration of the track. And of course, main feature of this plugin that you can edit smart object. Let's check it. Just double click. Let's change the color, for example. Save and close, and I have all the same animation with edited smart object. Okay, it's about a new features of the animation, and the next video I will show you how to create animation about move, rotate, scale, and another video we will see how works ready custom presets. Okay, thanks for watching and enjoy.